Kat says they would love to see the inside of the flexible piano board. And you've sparked some cool
I will
ideas.
give it like another 30 seconds of looking then. I know it's in here. Oh wait, I found it.
Ooh, cool.
Actually, I'll give you a sneak peek of the project. You want to see a sneak peek of the project?
Yeah.
So this is Jean's keyboard from Bob's Burgers.
Dang, wow. That looks cool.
I remember how to turn it on. Oh, here's the little on-off switch. And then if you're from the show, or if you know the show, no, maybe little foam buttons. I don't remember which one does it. There we go. It's a fart sound.
Nice. I love it. Yes.
It's got a little LED working, So this will be a video coming soon.
Nice.
But then I'll show you the inside of this. So I cut this off because it's a scrap.
Oh yeah. And that's just like sort of rubbery plastic on the outside?
It's got to be some type of silicone because I tried to glue stuff to it and every adhesive was just like,
Yep. Definitely sounds like silicone.
Yeah. So look at this beauty. Oh, wait.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
There's actually like multiple layers here. And then there's like these little tiny dots.
Yeah.
And then the mold of the interior of the keyboard, I don't know if you could see that, but there's little tiny dots underneath.
Oh, yes.
Silicone
for the actuation.
That line up with the little tiny dots on here, which it almost feels like Braille to me because they're little dots. And then they must, line up perfectly with whatever's on the next layer. And then you see all those like traces running back to the board. So it was just like, I think this thing cost maybe $20 on Amazon, So, you're just like, it's marketed as a toy, but it's like a really nice object.
Yeah, I find that so interesting. Like I don't know anything about how to make, like how people make that kind of like cheap circuits that aren't on circuit boards. So I didn't even know, but sometimes in some toys, there are paper circuits, which is crazy. It's like just paper with, I guess, conductive, ink on it. And I'm fascinated. I would love to learn more about like how those very, very like inexpensive circuits are made. Cause that's cool.
Yeah. I'm not like a circuit. I do paper circuits like as a craft, right?
Right. Yeah.
Like I'm an electrical engineer and I'm going to put this in a product, but
exactly.
The flexible ones just are so interesting to me just because of their like wearables application and yeah, it seems like a good way to do it too.
Yeah.
Why make something rigid when you can make it flexible?
Looks like the remote we used for the traffic light game. Yeah, I need to revisit that because that remote did not work like we thought it would. And now we have some like ESP whatevers, not 32s, the other ones. And I want to just like use those maybe instead of the Leonardo, or just like hook them up to the Leonardo and use them just for Wi-Fi so that we have actual traffic lights that I got at a surplus store. And so and like Robin and her dad built this really cool like wood enclosure for them. And we made them into a Simon Says game with arcade buttons. Cool. So that traffic lights flash and you have to do you have to enter the sequence in on the matching buttons. But the only kind of issue was it was like the traffic lights are really, really bright, like blindingly bright. And so we had like these really long wires running to the controller. Oh, now you're muted. So it would be nice to make the controller and the traffic lights have wireless communications so that you could put the traffic lights like way up and out of the way so that they don't blind you.